Yeah, I ripped the bag.
Can you help her with it, please?
I need help. Take me lunch bag.
Not like me, I just take them shopping, I don't have to wrap anything.
It's a good thing, Mary, you'll never write a history book. She thinks Napoleon Bonaparte launched nukes.
What you can
And
get
kill people with bombs. Still the red
He did do
squirrel. I'm
that.
touching my squirrel.
He didn't launch nukes, though.
George Washington.
Mary, you and George Washington want to go to your bed?
No.
All right, be quiet.
George Washington going to bed.
Oh, pretty.
Can I see it? Crazy.
Barbie.
A cat. Ooh.
Hold it up over here, babe.
It's a pin, Bobby.
Mm-hmm. Are you reading about it?
That's nice on the back. You get to draw with it.
Okay. Cool. Let's get what's the rest of the stuff in your basket, okay?
Stop, L. Hey, Johnny.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What's that? Oh.
Oh, paint, a picture to paint.
Here you go. Here's your necklaces.
Gold, silver and gold. Silver and
Catch, Nikki.
Got some hair pretties there?
Oh, hey.
Put your necklaces on.
What about the other one?
Beautiful. You can put the other one over your head, too. There you go. Pretty.
You put your hat on?
Oh, none, can't have the hat and the necklace on. Princess stickers.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, you got one more thing in there.
Mama, you here. Are you sure they hide things on the...
What's wrong with your face?
Can you help me open this, Dad?
Yeah, we'll get this open. Say thanks to Marty,
Thank you,
Grandma Marty, and Grandpa Marty.
Thank you, Grandma Marty. Bye. See you this summer. Bye. I'll see you soon.
I'm not going anywhere.